to all of you and good morning. And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is another revival video vlog that we will do for the Gem Can Last Revival Vlog Special. This is one of the special vlog na ating napapanood noon kay Gem. And of course, this is something interesting when it comes to sports episodes that we do. First of all, we do the 10 things to do when you're bored at saka yung batang sining. And now we will do is the badminton game. So exciting, lalo summer is here again and we friends, family is thinking of a great activity or a great recreational way, how we can start the summer or any bonding activity. Diba? Maganda rin tong exercise, maganda rin tong bonding kapag tayo ay may ginagawang sports activity. So we will do a badminton game together with my family, my cousins, na sila yung aking mga nakalaro sa pagbabadminton. Pero dahil part ito ng ating education at para na rin sa ating mga researcher at naghahanap, lalo na sa mga subject ay PE or MAPE, you are searching about the meaning or what's all about the word badminton. Okay, badminton, a game played on a rectangular court by two players or two pairs of players, equipped with light rackets used to volley a shuttlecock over a high net that divides the court in half. So, yan po ang pinaka-meaning or definition ng ating badminton. So, for the first episode na madidiscover nyo kay Ninong nyo, ang Ninong nyo ay nakipaglaro ng badminton with my cousins. I have Roy and Alvin. So, you will check it out how I play badminton. Of course, favorite ko naman talaga yung badminton since 2018. In the history, malalaman nyo kung bakit. As part of this video vlog that we are doing for a revival. Okay, check it out. What's up, all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. And I'm live here in Pangasinan, my province, here in the Central Luzon, anak, the tito-titas and the pinsan. Today, I will play badminton together with my cousin Roy and sister Princess as part of our show of the Gem Can Last Revival Vlog Special. And this is how to play badminton. So, paano nga ba maglaro ng badminton? We will give you a basic, konting laro lang naman para meron tayong alam na step kung paano maglaro, badminton, palo-palo lang yan, galingan, and hanggang sa makashoot ka. That's the one that I've learned from Gem, from reading my shoutout in 2018. That's why I do this revival, part of the show, how to play badminton. Now, come play with me together with my cousin and I. just witnessed the play of badminton with my cousins, Alvin, Roy, and Aya, Lovely, Joy, and tawag dito si JR. So, all of them, my cousins from Pangasinan, and some of them from other places. Diba? So, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood, and you've just discovered also the lesson on how to play badminton came from your Jade Canla.
Good PM Idol Jam. I'm Kuya Denver Castro, your funny teamer, and I also saw that you're a good badminton player, and I just want to know if how to play and how to use badminton. Please reply. Thanks. Sige. Paano ba mag-badminton? Ano lang yun eh? Palo-palo lang yun ng shuttlecock. Rinig niyo ba ako, guys? Type yes sa chat kung naririnig ko. Wala akong skill pa ni ano eh. That's, yeah. Lunox, masakit yun pag marunong ka. Yes, guys, expert na ako kay Lunox. Pag-take nga ako sa buong mundo pag Lunox eh.
First video niya, first shoutout niya yun sa akin. That I remember. So, palo-palo lang talaga. Hindi yung palo na papaluin kita, no? Iba yun.
Follow me! Ay!
So, palo means palo talaga ng badminton. Hindi yung mamalo ka ng tao. Okay? Ibang usapan na yon. Okay? Okay, you've just witnessed your ninong na talagang malakas pa, no? Malakas pa mag-badminton. Eh, sabi nga sa akin ni sister ko, nag-comment sa akin, medyo mahina na. Sabi ko, matanda na si Jen. Hindi na, but I can, I can manage naman, di ba? So, I have the power of badminton pa rin. So, sabi ko nga kanina, badminton, I discovered that great play in 2018. Yes, I discovered also again that play. Pero noon naman, nagba-badminton ako. Medyo ano lang, hindi pa ako ganun ka-master, no? So parang palo-palo lang until I discover him in the badminton kasi meron din kaming PE that time na kailangan mag-require ng sports equipment. Or kung tawagin, meron na rin kaming sinalihan na entrance in my school. So, nag-isip ako ng pwedeng sport kasi meron na raw sa basketball, volleyball, meron na sa chess. Ang naiwan doon yung availability for the badminton. So, I tried badminton. And sakto, JM in 2018 do a live vlog and I chatted him in live coverage. So, paano nga ba maglaro ng badminton? And a special shout out again. So, that is the first time that he chatted me on the line. So, the next episode or the episode that you will discover is your Ninong plays with my sister, and Alvin, my cousin, play badminton with Lovely and JR. So, tatlo-tatlo silang naging player ng badminton dito. We are showing you how to play the badminton or how to equip those of the particular. So, you will check it out. So, juniors edition. Si Alvin at saka si JR. Si Ikang and Alvin. After si Ikang naman aka Ray Jr. Wow, ang galing nila. That's good. Thank you. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating how to play badminton. Naway kayo may natutunan, kayo pinagpawisan sa kaka-badminton, and you just discover how to play or how to manage that kind of game. Okay, from your Nino. Thank you po and God bless to all of us. See you for my another video vlog dito lang po sa ating programang The Game Pelas Revival Vlog Special. And this is one of the favorite vlog that you can do on this show to promote the sport and to promote the exercise by the use of badminton. Thank you po. See you for my another video vlog. Happy summer to all of you.